Here we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz C250D AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch AMG multi-spoke alloy wheels, all in excellent condition just there. We also have the polar white exterior paintwork. We have the LED daytime running headlights, the Panamerica front grille just there with the black Mercedes badge in the centre. Right to the passenger side you'll find the second alloy wheel, once again in excellent condition if we take a closer look. Taking a step back you'll find the colour coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the pano glass roof which is currently open. We also have the rear gloss black spoiler as well. We have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We have the rear diffuser just down here along with the power assisted tailgate. Coming back round to the driver's side now you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the fourth and final alloy wheel just here, as you can see in excellent condition. Coming inside you'll find that we have the full black leather interior. We have the two seats at the front and of course the two seats at the back as well. Fixed ISO points, we have the cup holders in the centre just there as well. Now both of these front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory function and they are also both heated. On the doors we have the premium Burmester sound system, the buttons for the heated seats and the memory functions. We also have the electric windows, electric mirrors. We have the auto lights just there. Flat bottomed electrically adjustable multifunctional steering wheel. Paddle shifters on either side. We have the stalks down there for the speed limiter and cruise control. Digital screen in the centre of the dashboard just there. We also have the main infotainment screen which has the lights of the sat-nav. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity, DAB radio. We have the different drive modes, ambient lighting and much more. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more please check out the website. Thank you for watching.